Hi there. Today in this session, we will discuss how does the Java code gets executed.
Cannot
As I
directly
discussed in my
understand the
previous
source code,
session,
you
there
need
are
to
three components that
compile
comes
that
into the
source code
picture.
into the
Gem,
bytecode
Jek, and Grar.
that
That
is a
plays an important role in
program.cs.
running any Java code and
So,
produces the
the
outputs per the
bytecode that's being
expectation or the
generated cannot be
requirement.
understood by the
First of all,
program
as you know,
JVM.
we
The
write a
machine
.java
cannot
program
understand
that
it.
is known
So,
as a Java
the
source
virtual
code.
machine known as a
Otherwise,
JVM
we wouldn't be
will
able to
load
run the
your
program.
bytecode
You need to
into
save
it
it with
and
the .java extension
executes
that is
and
known as the
understands
source
and
code.
executes.
The machine
JVM
cannot
includes a
directly
Java
understand the source
interpreter that
code.
converts the
You need to
bytecode to the
compile
target
that source
computer
code into
machine code so
bytecode.
that we can produce
That is
or
a
get the
program.
output.
The
JVM is a
bytecode
platform
that's being
specific, which
generated
means
cannot
that
be
each
understood by
platform
the
has
program
its own
gem.
JVM.
The machine
Each
cannot
operating system
understand
has
it.
its own
A
JVM.
virtual machine known
So
as a
Java
gem
virtual machine,
will
as I
load your
said, which is an
bytecode into it
interpreter
and
that reads
executes
all
and
the
understands
statements
and
through step by step
executes.
from the Java
Gem
bytecode
includes a
and which will
Java
further
interpreter
convert it
that
to the
converts
machine
the
level
bytecode
language.
to the target
However,
computer
once
machine
proper
code so
JVM
that
is
we can
installed onto
produce
the
or get the
machine, any
output.
bytecode
Gem is a
can be run.
platform
So bytecode,
specific,
once
which means
converted
that
into
each
the target
platform has
machine
its own
code
gem.
then runs. But
Each
the bytecode,
operating
when
system has its
as I
own gem.
said, Java code is
Java virtual
portable, you can
machine,
port
as I
it to
said,
any other
which is
machine,
an
and that
interpreter that leads
specific
all the statements through
machine-based
step by
JVM can
step
run
from the
your
Java
Java
bytecode and which will further
This is
convert it to
how
the
the
machine
things
level
gets
language.
happen. First of
However,
all, you
once
write
proper
your
gem is
.java
installed
code.
onto the machine,
That
any
.java
bytecode
code
can be
gets
run.
compiled into the
Bytecode,
bytecode
once
that is a
converted
dot
into the
class.
target machine
Then
code,
the Java
then runs.
bytecode is moved
The
locally or through
bytecode venue,
network
as I
to the
said,
runtime
Java code is
environment.
portable.
The Java
You can
virtual
put it to
machine
any other machine,
verification
and that specific
starts for the
machine-based gem can
bytecode.
run your Java
The
byte.
JVM has a
This is how
bytecode
things get
verifier
happened.
that is due to
First of
maintenance of
all,
the
you write your
specific
.java code.
security
That
of the
.java
program,
code
and this
gets
bytecode
compiled into the
verifies the code
bytecode
only
that is a
and only
class.
after the classes have
Then the
been
Java
loaded onto
bytecode
the
is moved locally or to
runtime, which
network
is the
to the
JVM.
runtime
It
environment.
makes sure that the
The Java
bytecodes
virtual
are
machine
valid and
verification
accessible.
starts
It
for the
also saves
bytecode.
the computer
The
from
gem has
various
a
viruses
bytecode
and
verifier that is
unsecure
due to maintenance
websites.
of the
As I
specific
said, that
security of the
JVM
program.
also includes the
This
libraries
bytecode
inside it,
verifies the
whatever
code
the
only and only
program
after the
needs to run.
classes have been loaded onto
As
the
I said that
runtime, which
onto
is
your
a
machine
gem.
hardware there is
It
an
makes
operating
sure that the
system being
bytecodes
saved
are
and
valid and
under
accessible.
onto which the
It also
JVM
saves the
resides.
computer from various
So
viruses
once
and
your class
unsecure
gets loaded
websites.
over
As
the
I said,
Java
that gem
virtual
also
machine,
includes the
Java
libraries
program
inside it,
execution
whatever
gets
the
started.
program
So
needs to
JVM
run.
interprets
As
your
I
piece
said,
of
that onto
code
your machine
step by
hardware,
step
there is an
as an
operating system
interpreter,
being
and
saved
nowadays
and
the
under
modern
onto which
JVMs
the
are
gem
much faster
resides.
as they use
Once
JLP
your class gets
compilation
loaded over
units.
the Java virtual
JVM
machine,
can
Java
execute
program
various tasks
execution
at the
gets
same time.
started.
We also call
Gem
them
interprets
hotspot
your piece of
compilers
code
as they are
step by
used
step with the as an
by JVM to
interpreter.
find out the hotspots
Nowadays, the
in the
modern
bytecode
gems
as
are
well.
much faster as they
So
use
this
the
is
compilation
how
units.
your Java
Gem
code
can
gets
execute
executes
various tasks at the
onto the
same time.
machine.
We also
One
call
more
them
thing you can
hotspot
understand
compilers
here
as they are
is
used by Gem to
Java
find out the hotspots
virtual
in the
machine
bytecode as
once
well.
loads your application.
This is how your Java code gets
most of the
executed
time
onto
gets
the machine.
confused that
One
does
more
this
thing you
happen
can
at
understand
once?
here is
So
Java
guys,
virtual machine
internally
once
it's the
loads your
complete sequence
application,
gets happen.
most
First
of the time gets
compilation gets happen,
confused.
then class
That is,
gets
this
loaded
happen at
onto the
once.
JVM, and
Guys,
the
internally
JVM
it's
as
a
an
complete
interpreter
sequence gets
converts
happen.
it
First,
into
the
the machine
compilation gets
understandable
happen.
code.
Then
Most
class
important
gets
question we
loaded
get
onto the
at this
gem,
point is
and the gem
Java
has
a
an interpreter
compiler
converted
or
into
a
the machine
interpreted
understandable
based
code.
language? So
Most important
concept
question we
is
get at
pretty
this
clear.
point is
When we
Java
talk
a
about
compiler or
compiler, we mean
interpreter-based
that a tool
language?
that convert
Concept
the
is pretty
source
clear when
code
we talk
into the
about
bytecode,
compiler. We mean that a tool that
making it
converts the
easier for
source
the
code into the
computer to
bytecode,
interpret,
making it
and
easier
that
for the
is called a
computer to
compiler.
interpret,
But when
and
we
that is
say
called a
Java
compiler.
interpreter,
But when we
a
say Java
interpreter is a
interpreter,
programming
interpreter
tool that
is a
converts
programming
the
tool that
source
converts
code
the
or a
source code
bytecode
or a
into the machine
bytecode into the machine
understandable
understandable
code. That's a
code.
JVM.
That's a gem.
So we can
conclude
here
that we consider Java to be both compiler and interpreter-based language because the source code first gets compiled into the bytecode or machine binary code, and the same binary code runs on the gem, and this is mostly a software-based interpreter.
And this is mostly
That's
a
what Java is
software-based interpreter.
Compiler and
And that's what
interpreter-based
Java
language,
is, a
but
compiler
I
and
hope I answered a very most
interpreter-based
frequently
language.
asked question here.
I hope
Now
I
you are all
answered
set to
a
write your
very
Java programs
most
and get them
frequently
executed
asked
as per
question
your
here.
requirements as per your
Now you
real-time
are all
case
set to write
studies.
your Java programs
See you in the next
and
session.
get them
Until next
executed
time.
as per your
Stay tuned. Thank you.